Alright, done. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Minasan konnichiwa. Alright, this is Masunga John and today I'm going to show you how to cook Japanese food called Kinpira. By the way, Kinpira comes from this one. This is a bamboo shoot. Kinpira no tsukurikata kyou wa o misemasu. So here are the ingredients. Soy sauce, sesame oil, tobanja, and some sesame. 醤油とごま油と豆板醤が ingredients. And I'm going to use green chilies. And this is how to cut. 作り方こんな感じ。最初はたけのこをスライスする。Okay, cut the bamboo shoot into pieces and the chilies. Actually, some people like using red chilies, but I don't have red chilies, so I'm gonna use green chilies. First, sesame oil. ごま油入れて、ごま油。Okay, fry the bamboo shoots. たけのこをフライして、and これからチリ入れて、add the chili. Alright, add some little soy. Not that much because I'm going to use and tobanja. Tobanja 入れて、それでごま少し入れる。Right, done. Right, done. Yummy. Alright, it's Masunga John. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And that is Kinpira. これはKinpiraの作り方。ありがとうございました。
Sorry ass DJ.